Yes, hi.
What was that?
I don't even know. All right.
Oh my gosh. So I got Zero and Jack Skelington. Jack
Yes.
Skelington.
Do you want to open them up?
3, 2, 1. And let's see if I can. Okay, that. So
Nice.
So Mr. Sylvester over here already cut these open. So if you want to see the top of Jack Skelington.
Oh, that is cool, right?
And
It's like
then-
his fingers. The exhaust headers are his fingers, but they made an effort to make it look like...
It's like your fingers are coming out of the side. It's like really weird. In Zero, do you want to see what it does? Come on.
Ooh, nice. Okay, hold on. Try to hold it still. Can you spin it around and show the top? I mean the bottom, excuse me. Because I think his rear wheel... Yeah, there you go. Nice.
So you can see where his eyes is. They're right where the window is.
Cool.
Like, they're like right. That is absolutely pumpkin on his skull.
Oh, I did not see the pumpkin in the back. Do you know what that's supposed to be?
What?
A parachute on a drag car.
Oh
So,
my. What was I gonna say?
So yeah, definitely 1960s top fuel dragster. The engine in the front. And a Morgan 3-wheeler.
Let me just say that. Okay. So this one is a 3-wheeler.
Yep.
If you see it's a little bit tricky because do you see the pumpkin?
You can't. Yes, I can get the pumpkin on there. I'm glad you pointed that out.
And
it has a little nose with the headlight on it.
And I never noticed this until right now, like literally right now.
Oh, it's a leash, right? Or not a leash.
It's a collar. It's his collar. And we have we have this, so you can actually like see the picture.
Maybe we'll find Sally. She looks cool, right?
Yeah, that car actually looks better than.
I'll try to get you the whole series. I don't think there's a. Is there a what do you call him? What's the boogeyman version? The boogeyman dude.
The Oogie Boogie Man.
Yeah, is that what it's okay?
Boogie.
So yeah, no, they don't make one yet. Maybe down the line.
Do I see? Do you want to see who goes faster?
Okay, let's try it out.
Bam.
Definitely Skelington, right?
Yes.
Okay, bye.